Hi there, today I am back with another quick get ready with me, and I wanted to show how I do my kind of quick, standard, bold lip, simple eye look. So that is what we're going to be doing today. To start right off, I'm going to jump in with my Hello Fab Pore Speed On Matte Primer. I'm just going to take a pea-sized amount and rub it in the T-zone of my face. Right now, as I'm filming this, I am done with my classes for today, so I just need to kind of focus up, work on some assignments, and then my friend and I are going to get together to do our physics stuff together later, which is good. Next, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the shade 550 Light Medium. And I'm just going to lightly bounce this all over my face. I don't know who follows me on Instagram. If you don't, I'll leave my handle down below for your viewing pleasure. Oh, but I did post a very exciting update on one of my products that I will show you when we get to it. But right now we're going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. And I'm just going to kind of, do the standard cover my whole face in concealer because I'm breaking out like crazy right now. I'm pretty sure that the breakouts are from this new serum that I was trying out. It was the Peach and Lily, something like that, the glass skin serum that they have, and they've been marketing like crazy at Ulta. My mom thought it would be nice, so she sent it to me, which was very sweet of her. But I broke out so bad almost immediately after starting to use it, and the breakouts just kept getting worse. And after like a week and a half period of using this, so I stopped because I know that purging is a thing and it can happen when your skin is getting rid of like dead skin cells and stuff that's been holding on to when you start a new skincare product, but I really don't think that specific like hydrating, brightening kind of primer would cause purging. That was my main concern. I'm still kind of sweating. I did shower, like that's why my hair's all wet. This isn't all sweat, but I went on a 4-mile run after my last class, which was really good actually. I felt good, which is really the easiest way for me to gauge how good a run was. Sometimes like I'll run 2 miles and I'll feel like crap, and then sometimes I'll run 4 miles and I'll be like, I could go another mile. I couldn't, like, to be fair. Like if I tried to run 5, I probably would have passed out, but my body didn't know that yet, which means I wasn't completely dying. See, I like this like dewy finish, and I wish I could just keep it, but my face doesn't set down properly with the bronzer on it. I'm just going to go in with my Coty Airspun and this large Morphe brush and just lightly set down my face. And then now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and here's where there's the exciting update. I hit pan in the shade Enhance. But for right now, I'm just going to go in these 2 darker bronzer shades, and I'm just going to bronze up my neck. And I'm going to try and go a little bit lighter with the bronzer than I normally do. So I'll only be like half of a drag queen instead of a full drag queen. Next, I'm going to go in with this Lorac Color Source blush in the shade Chroma. And I'm just going to rosy up my cheeks. Now I'm going to take my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. And I'm just going to hit the high points of my face. This past weekend, I took a little bit of a break from schoolwork. Usually I try and grind out as much as I possibly can Saturday, Sunday. But this weekend I got like 2 whole things done. I studied for the midterm that I had this morning, and then I finished an assignment that was due Saturday night, and that was pretty much it. I really just wanted to detox Now I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel and the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe, and then fill them in the way I always do. And to be honest, school was kind of kicking my butt, and I just needed a day or two of not looking at equations that didn't make sense and stuff. But we had a few friends over, and we did this escape room in a box, and it was super fun. It also, I said this to Rosalind, and she agreed with me, I feel like it highlighted kind of the ways that all of our brains work differently, because there were a few puzzles where, like, my roommate would sit there and look at it for like 5 to 10 minutes and be like, I don't know what this is saying, I can't figure it out, and then I would look at it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then someone else would look at it and then get it in 30 seconds. And it was like, where does this come from? Where did these little, like, skills we have come from? And it was just really fun. We actually ended up not solving it in the time limit, which was too bad. The werewolf got us, but we're going to reprint all the little worksheets and give the box to our friends, which should be fun. Maybe they'll figure it out. If they figure it out knowing that we didn't, they'll never let it go. Now I'm just going to hit a quick spritz on my face with this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, rose, and herbs. Now I'm going to go in with this Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. Just a very small amount, and I'll dab that on my eyelids. And then that was Friday night, and then Saturday I just kind of lounged around, did like a little bit of schoolwork, hung out with my roommate, and I did something else on Saturday. What did I do? Just kind of like hung out and stuff. It was really nice just to relax. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Halo, which is the other matte highlighter shade that I want to hit pan in now. So yeah, Saturday I just kind of hung out, helped my friend get ready for her date night. And then Sunday I went for a nice hike. There's a lot of great hiking areas near where I live, so my friend Rosalind and I go every Sunday. And so we went for a hike. That took most of the morning. Then we came back here. I made us lunch, which was really yummy. And then I got my friend Rosalind. My roommate and I are already hooked on it, and we got Rosalind hooked on the bold type. I'm just going to go into the shade Sandalwood and like dip like twice. I want a sheer wash of color. Because it is an incredible show, and we watched the whole first season. We just started the second season. I've already seen everything, so has my roommate Sally, but we're going back and watching it all for Rosalind as a trio most of the time. Occasionally Sally or I will miss an episode here or there, but you know how like some people with shows like Friends or Parks and Rec, like kind of dorky sitcoms, they will be like, oh, which character are you? Since we're a trio of girls and the show focuses on like this main trio of girls, we've been kind of joking like, okay, who's who? So in case you've seen the show, I don't want to spoil anything, but we've decided that my roommate Sally is Jane, I am Sun, and then our friend Rosalind is Kat. We basically just watched the whole first season and tallied up every time one of the characters did something that sounded like something one of us would do, and so every time Jane did something, we'd be like, Sally, that's something you would do, or every time Kat did something to kind of push her friends out of their comfort zone or hype her friends up, we're like, Rosalind, that's so you. So that was how we came to that standing. Also, I mean, this isn't really a spoiler, so I'm just gonna say it. Sutton and Richard are the cutest couple. Cutest. Nothing else compares. Love of my life. I'm just going to dip into the shade Bubbly with my finger. I'm just going to do very light wash all over my eyelid. I am very quickly just going to go into the inner corners with that same highlighter shade I used earlier. I'm going to jump off camera super quickly to do eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. Hi, I am back. I have a little bit of the Lancome eyeliner in the shade Black Coffee in my upper and lower waterline, some Wander Mile High Club mascara on my lashes, and then I went ahead and did lips because that's kind of a tedious process, and I did the Laka & Co. Cloud Lips in the shade Sun Shower. I really do love this color. So if you enjoyed getting ready with me, watching me put this together, anything about this video, please like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye!